Hello and welcome back to Car Rental University. I am your host, Alex Withrow. Today we are going to talk about 5 key things you need to do to automate your maintenance system. This is very important if you have 5 or more cars. Before I get into that, click below, grab the 5 things you must do before starting a car rental business. That also comes with the Car Share Growth Guide, which gives you a city-by-city breakdown of which car share platform is strongest in your area. Definitely check it out. Also, give this channel a subscribe and a like. I am always trying to put together content for you guys that can really help you grow your business in the car rental space. Look, the easiest thing to do right off the bat, go on to Upwork.com, grab a few car cleaners. There's lots of people out there who are willing to wipe down, spray down, vacuum, whatever, your car on an ad hoc basis, so you can keep 3 or 4 of them on your speed dial and send them out to your cars whenever you need to. That is the first thing. That is super easy to do, and to make it so that you don't have to go out to your car to deal with each one of them and be clean. If you only have 2 or 3 cars, it's not that hard to deal with yourself, right? But if you have 5 to 10 or more, that's when it starts getting a little more busy and a little more involved. Also, get a mobile mechanic. And you're probably like, well, what's a mobile mechanic? Well, go on Yelp, go on Google Maps, type in mobile mechanic. You can find mobile mechanics who will come out and do all kinds of things and repairs for your cars. They will change tires, oil, they will change batteries, they will change brakes. They'll do a lot of kind of light repair type stuff on your car in terms of maintenance and whatnot. So those are super helpful. Usually they will like come to your garage or wherever your car is and deal with it. You just send them a Cash App or Venmo for whatever is needed for the car. It saves you a lot of time with regards to not having to take a car to a shop or taking a car out to get your oil change or whatnot. Very easy to do. Number 3, this is as you start getting a cleaning team, they need to send you pictures of exterior 4 corners of the car, interior, front and back. Make sure that you see the mats as well. If you are using GetAround, you are forced to do this every 6 trips anyway. GetAround will force you to upload these pictures at least once every 6 trips. But if you are not using GetAround, if you're using Turo, what I would recommend, and many of you know now that I'm running operations for Kairos Mobility Ventures. We are building out a fleet. If you want to learn more about that, check out kairosmobility.com. But in my own operation with my own team, we upload everything into Fleetio. I really like the Fleetio software. You can create inspection workflows in the Fleetio software, so whoever is out checking out your car, they can just through the mobile app upload pictures, odometer readings. You know, if there's any check engine lights on or whatnot, you can upload that info into the Fleetio app, so you can really take a look at what's going on with the inspection reports and see that from your laptop. I personally think those are super helpful. Eventually, you will need to hire a captain to manage all your cleaners. So obviously when you hire a captain, you're gonna need someone who's pretty organized, who can manage a variety of people to clean cars. Each cleaner, if they are cleaning your cars full time, they probably can handle 4 to 5 cars a day, assuming they have to travel to each car. If they are all over different places, if the cars are all in one place, they can handle a lot more. But you know, if they're having to travel around the city to different locations, obviously you want to put each cleaner with each group of cars that are relatively near each other. In that scenario, I would say that each cleaner could handle probably about 20 cars. And so if you have 40 or 60 cars, you will probably need 3 or 4 cleaners. If you're using GetAround or Uber Car Share, you really only need a weekly check-in. Like I said, GetAround forces you to do a cleaning update and status up check on their app every 6 trips, which that comes out to every probably 10 days, maybe a tad more. I would just get in the habit, if you're on GetAround or Uber Car Share, check in on those cars once a week. Once a week, Tuesday or Thursday, it's the best time to do it. It's a quiet day for rentals, and so that's a good time to really make sure the cars are in good condition. My last point is that if you are on Turo, which I know a lot of you are, you have to make sure, because of the rating system, because of how tight that rating system is, you need to check in on these cars every single time before every single rental. So whatever calculus I just presented to you, you're gonna have to do about 4 times the amount of cleanings to maintain high ratings on the Turo platform. This personally is why I don't like Turo, because that turns out to be very expensive as you scale. If GetAround and Turo are bringing relatively similar day rates, the cleaning component gets really expensive as you get up to 20, 30, 40, 50 cars. That's what I don't like about Turo, is because there is a very hidden cleaning maintenance cost in there. If you're gonna do it with that system, you can. It's just gonna require a lot more manpower, a lot more cleanings. Like I said, GetAround is requiring a wipe down every 6 rides, whereas Turo basically requires it every ride. So that's a big difference in in terms of the amount of money you're spending on cleaning manpower. That's my general thoughts about automating this, but it requires some organization and some software and a little manpower. You can do it. It's definitely doable. 80% of businesses in this industry only have up to 5 cars. The smaller portion of larger operators in this business have over 5 cars. But if you have up to 5 cars, you really only need one guy to kind of bop around and check in on cars and send pictures back to you. That's how I really handle it. And also one mobile repair guy as well. Drop some comments. Would love to hear your thoughts on this. Before I go, click below. Grab the 5 things you must do before starting a car rental business. And I will catch you in the next episode. Thank you.